Hi, hello guys. Today I'm gonna introduce my minivan camping car, which I made myself. This is Hyundai Starex minivan. There's nothing special around of the car. This is just like normal minivan. So you guys can see there's nothing. Let me show you inside of this car. Right. So this is for shoes. You guys can put shoes in it when you go inside, and you can change comfortable slippers. Right. You can simply sit down on the sofa like this, and you can change your shoes like this. Put in here. Let me close it. Okay. So you can enjoy the skylight from this window. So you can actually cover all windows around, but you can actually take the sunlight from here when you stop the car somewhere and you want to, have privacy. You don't have any problem. You don't have to turn on the light or something like that. Right. So this is countertop. You can actually cook. It's big enough. And this is sink. You can wash dishes, you can cook something, whatever you want. Just put on this button. So water pump is on now. Yes. So it's like this. And this is fire detector. If something happens, it'll make alarm sound so you can understand something is going on here. Here is a microwave. And this is the water tank. And there's a water pump in it. You can put many things in here. A lot of drawers, 6 drawers here and there. And how I made actually small feature on the sofa. If you guys have got some kind of a pet, actually, there is a pet house here I made for my Chihuahua. And here you guys can put things here. If you don't use for dogs or for shoes, you can put many things here. And this table can actually change it into bed. If you push this down, you can actually change that. And here it is heater. This is very useful in winter. Not gonna be cold in this camping car. And here is a 50 liter of freezer. You can put a lot of food here. You can go any place and you can stay there in the nature without any problem. This is solar panel control, battery, and control panels. And simply control the touch panel like this. Best feature of this car is actually this place. There is a door to separate the space. I've got one more sink here to wash your hands after the toilet. Right, there you go. This place is actually like you can take a shower if you want, and you can do everything in this small camping car. For everything. There you go. A toilet in the camping car, which is brilliant. And the floor is like this, so you can actually take a shower. The water will drain out of this camping car. And there is a boiler. You can use hot water in winter and any time if you want to. And this is for battery. So this camping car I made, you can actually do everything in this car. You don't have to go out, and you don't have to take a lot of luggages for camping. You just take this car and drive somewhere, and you can stay somewhere in the nature, apart from people. And there is a fan as well. And turn on the switch. Just like this. If you cook inside something, especially in the winter, you have to take out the smell and things like that. But you've got this fan, so you know there's no problem at all. And there is one more window here. You can actually open this, so we can actually cook inside of the car without any problem. So this is cool feature. Let me show you how to change this table into a bed. Right, I'm going to show you how to change this table into a bed. Just push this table down like this. And lock it. And take these things here. And this is it. You have actually a bed. You can change it into two-person bed as well. And yeah, that's it. So simple. So it was short tour of my minivan camping car, and I want to know how you guys think about this car. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Right guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.